Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, Toyota's bold leap forward in style, power, tech, and electrification. Buckle up, because this is one of the most exciting compact SUV lineups we've seen in years. Starting with design, Toyota is applying a much sharper, muscle-forward aesthetic. Up front, you'll notice the bold, hammerhead grille, a look that's modern and aggressive. This body redesign is available in three distinct themes: Core LE, XLE, Limited Rugged, New Woodland Edition, and Sport SE, XSE, and the fire-breathing GR Sport PHEV. Adventure seekers can go for the Woodland, with an elevated stance, all-terrain tires, raised roof rails, and integrated LED lighting. Meanwhile, the GR Sport model, developed with Toyota's Gazoo Racing division, screams performance with a tuned suspension, sporty spoilers, paddle shifters, and unique badging and wheels. Underneath it all lies the TNGA-K platform, reinforced for better rigidity and reduced noise. You also get larger wheel options, 17 to 20-inch alloys depending on the trim. Tech-wise, Toyota is introducing its Arene software platform for the first time with this RAV4 generation. It powers a revamped Toyota audio multimedia system with smooth OTA updatability. Think evolving tech instead of aging hardware. Standard on all trims is a generous 10.5-inch touchscreen, while higher-end models feature a spacious 12.9-inch display. Digital enhancements continue with a customizable 12.3-inch instrument cluster and optional head-up display. That's next-general UI integration right under your eyes. Infotainment controls have also evolved. The HVAC controls are now part of the touchscreen's lower bezel, no more physical buttons on certain trims. The system still supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual Bluetooth and even cloud-based navigation. Under the hood, a full electrification strategy is taking shape. Toyota is no longer offering a gas-only RAV4, 2026 models are hybrid-based across the lineup. The standard HEV model combines a 2.5-liter gas engine with Toyota's latest fifth-generation hybrid system. FWD models output 226 horsepower, while AWD pushes a solid 236 horsepower, almost close to entry-level performance cars. Take things further with the plug-in hybrid PHEV. It packs a 6th-gen system that delivers up to 320 horsepower, and best part, the EPA estimated all-electric range is now up to 50 miles, an excellent improvement. Even more impressively, certain PHEV trims XSE and Woodland feature CCS-DC fast charging capability, going from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes, and an upgraded 11 kilowatts AC onboard charger makes home charging faster too. Towing isn't left out either. AWD models, HEV XL, Woodland, SE, XSE, Limited, and all PHEVs except the base, are rated to tow up to 3,500 pounds. FWD HEV and LAWD models are rated at 1,750 pounds, so you have real utility. Inside, the cabin hits a great mix of function and flair. The console hosts a neat shifter, drive mode dial, dual cup holders, and a storage bin with a removable divider. Select models feature a shift-by-wire toggle that gives a futuristic vibe. Material options vary from basic fabric to Softex, ultrasuede, and even microsuede with contrast stitching. Sport trims get aluminum pedals and paddle shifters, while Woodland models get durable all-weather mats and earthy accent colors. Safety is wrapped alongside tech improvements. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is standard, bringing new features like front cross-traffic alert, lane change assist, predictive curve speed control, and enhanced full-speed emergency braking. Plus, it's OTA updatable. Production-wise, build begins late 2025 with deliveries ramping up in December for North America and Japan, and global availability extending through early 2026. So what does this mean for you? The 2026 RAV4 is a comprehensive reboot, offering sharp styling, solid hybrid and PHEV performance, serious EV-like range, advanced infotainment, and robust safety. For families, adventurers, and daily commuters, it ticks a ton of boxes. And if you want that sporty driving edge, the GR Sport PHEV is a standout with its 0 to 60 time of about 5.8 seconds. That's the 2026 RAV4 in the spotlight, sleek, sustainable, and smart. In upcoming videos, we'll take a deep dive into the GR Sport PHEV and challenge the Woodland off-roader in real-world testing. Until then, thanks for watching Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this tour, drop a like, hit subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with our latest rides. See you next time, Dreamers.